Hi, my name is Khadijah Abdullah from Kolej Matrikulasi Kelantan. Will present to you the Boyle's Law for the workshop 3. It's nice weather for diving today. Let's go! Let's learn science facts related to diving. So, what is the relationships between the diving and Boyle's Law? How does Boyle's Law apply to scuba diving? Boyle's Law affects scuba diving in many ways. It explains the role of the pressure in the aquatic environment. As all you may know, scuba divers require an immense amount of air in order to descend further into an area where air is unavailable. Scuba tanks are carried by divers since it can store and provide air for them. Scuba tanks hold 200 and 300 atm for pressure air. Those scuba tanks need to be pressurized in order to provide enough air for the diver prevent the tank from collapsing. Ready to dive? Here we go! As diver descends, the water pressure around him increases, causing air in his scuba equipment and body to occupy a smaller volume. The water pressure around diver increases, compressing the air in his ears, so he must equalize the pressure in his ears to avoid pain and a possible ear injury called ear barotrauma. Pressurized tanks provide enough air to scuba divers because they breathe air at the same pressure as the surrounding water. Without the pressure tank, the diver will have difficulties breathing because the air diver is inhaling is pushing out at a different pressure as the air around him. As diver ascends, water pressure decreases. Boyle's law states that the air in his gear and body expands to occupy a greater volume. Water pressure around him decreases and the air in his buoyancy compensator device expands. This is why diver has to release excess air from his BCD as he ascends. Otherwise, the expanding air will cause him to lose control of his buoyancy. According to the Boyle's law, a diver should never hold his breath underwater when he ascends to an area of lesser water pressure. The air trapped in his lungs will overexpand and rupture leads to pulmonary barotrauma. It is important for scuba divers to exhale as they ascend because the external pressure changes. Okay, now I want to show you when a mass of a compound is pumped into the container, the pressure increase to 1 atm. And then when I put pressure on the piston, the pressure will increase to 1.15 atm. And I put another pressure, the pressure will increase to 1.3 atm. And I put the last one, and the pressure will increase to 1.5 atm. So you can see that the volume decrease and the pressure will increase. So this is the Boyle's law, which is at the constant temperature, the volume occupied by a fixed amount of the gas is inversely proportional to the applied pressure.